Izingane ezifunda ngaphansi kwesimo esingesihle ungabibikho kwengqalasizinda ukwentuleka kwezimpahla zokuzivikela igciwaneni icorona kanye nokwentuleka kothisha ngezinye zezinto ezibhekene nomnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo esifundazweni iLimpopo. Lokhu kuvezwe umvikeli womphakathi uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane ngesikhathi ethula umbiko ngophenyo olwenziwe yihhovisi lakhe ngezinto ezikhathaza kakhulu elakuleli okubalwa kuzo izindlu, umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo, ukuqoka kwezisebenzi ngendlela engafanele, ukusashazwa kwemali yombuso kanye nenkohlakalo. Umkhwebane ube nesithangami nabezindaba ePitoli namhlanje.
Observations made during an on-site inspections at Akabelo High on the day as well as on subsequent visits to the facility revealed systemic deficiencies such as inadequate educational tools, inadequate classrooms to cater for social distancing, supply of poor quality PPEs, insufficient ablution facilities, lack of adequate security to safeguard school property, and inadequate scholar transport as detailed in evidence. This failure to provide sufficient secure infrastructure and learning equipment contravenes Section 5A, capital A of the South African Schools Act 1996 and regulations relating to minimum uniform norms and standards for public school infrastructure, particularly Regulation 12, Regulation 14 and Regulation 17.